Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can check your Payoneer account's activity. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, you have to log in your Payoneer account. So as you can see, I have already logged in my Payoneer account here. And now simply what you need to do, you have to click on this option, which is called account activity. Now after clicking on this, as you can see, has the first option for the transaction. If you want to see the transaction, then simply you have to click on this. And now I'm going to the back, and after that has a payment request sent. If you have sent any payment request, you will see all the requests here. So I have didn't send anyone, so I'm going to, if you want to request a payment, then simply you have to click on this and you have to provide the details and the payment request will be sent. So now I'm going to back again, so let's click on this. After that has an account statement for the Amazon. If you want the account statement for the Amazon, you have to click on this. Confirmation of receiving account, you have to click on this. If you want to check out the confirmation of your receiving account, simply you have to provide the things here like the client name, and I'm going to back again. And after that, monthly statement, if you want the monthly statement, you can also do that. You have to select the balance and you have to select the month and year as well, then which format you want, like the PDF or the CSV. And I'm going back again. And after that has simply letter of good standing. If you want the letter of good standing, you can also do that. Simply you have to select your balance. For example, I want to select this balance, and then you have to click on the download, and it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading, and this will be downloaded. So in this way you can check your Payoneer account activity. So as you can see, it is downloaded. Now you have to click on this, and now it's done. And now as you can see, all the things are provided here. So in this way you can check your Payoneer account activities. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check your account activities. So see you guys in the next video.